our channel. So for today's video, we're going to be making some gingerbread cookies, and we're also going to just be answering some of your questions. This will be a very similar video to our pumpkin carving video, except it's Christmas themed, obviously, because Christmas is in like 7 days, and that is insane. We were supposed to film this video on the weekend, which meant it would have gone up on like Christmas Eve, but we actually had a snow day today, which was fantastic. I love snow days. It was just really nice just to have...
She put a spoon under my pillow, and I was not really happy.
Do you guys do that thing where like the snow day formula, you do like a little snow day dance, and then you put the spoon under the pillow, the ice cube in the toilet, and pajamas inside out. And then like after you do all those things, the next day it'll be a snow day. I do that every single time, and most of the time it works, so try it.
Water helps the mind. Water helps the mind. The original plan was to make them from scratch, but then our dad was like, "You guys want to decorate these?" And then we were like, "Yeah, sure, so less work." Yeah, laziness. I've been doing that the entire video. I've been doing, I was like nothing ever more to you said. No. The entire intro.
Yeah, we're gonna just use this Walmart generic version instead of making it from scratch. So if you are new to our channel, my name's Megan.
And I'm Maddie.
And we are sisters, and we make lifestyle YouTube videos. We're supposed to be posting every single Sunday, but we haven't really been up to our game lately. So we'll try to get better at that for the new year.
Let's open this box up.
We have red icing.
And
green
icing.
And we also have these little colored balls and some white icing.
This stuff is probably gone because I like to snack. Question number 1 is from Vanessa. And it's, what is your favorite holiday? What is your favorite Christmas tradition? Favorite holiday? There's the thing. Okay. So my favorite holiday is Christmas, but my favorite celebration is Valentine's Day. I don't know why I like Valentine's Day, I just do. My
favorite holiday is definitely Christmas. I'm a Christmas girl all the way. I started listening to Christmas music in like October.
She honestly did. It's kind of sad.
No, it's so fun.
Best Christmas present you've ever gotten?
I'm gonna go with the Canon T6i that we're filming on right now from last year. Because Maddie and I wanted a camera to film with so badly because our phone was just like not working.
I have no idea. I don't really...
So the next question is, what is our favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a pig. But not like one of those big like, those kind of pigs like, not one of the big grumpy brown ones that nobody likes, but the cute little ones like with the big eyes and they're all like adorable. Those ones are my favorite. I got teacup piggies, like this little toy for Christmas. I used it for about like 2 days and then I stopped using it. So thanks, Santa.
Alright, well that just happened. We'll pick those up later.
Ooh! Do you guys feel that? I just hate you guys.
Probably either a dog or a flamingo. I really like flamingos because they're just really unique. How they can just stand on one foot 24/7, because I definitely couldn't do that. But I also really like dogs because they're just super adorable.
Who doesn't like dogs? Well, if you're a cat person,
I want a dog so badly. They're just so cute. Next question. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions?
No. I don't do that.
I'm doing such a bad job with this cookie. My first one turned out so cute, and then this one's just like derpy. My New Year's resolutions, number 1, just continue to eat healthy.
Ooh.
I mean, like, that hasn't really happened recently over Christmas.
Okay, who
get back on that train.
If anyone makes a New Year's resolution, it's always like eat healthy and stuff.
Yeah, start eating healthy again. This looks so dirty. And also to actually post weekly videos and make time to post weekly videos.
Hold up. Half the time it's my fault that we don't post because I'm too lazy to post it. But half the time, it's also her fault. Like the other 50% because she's not done the video.
We're getting so many sprinkles in the sink.
This, le gingerbread man say le maigre. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use chocolate. Because guess what? You guys put it back in the cupboard. I've got this Christmas song in my car. Candles glowing in the dark. I love Pentatonic's dream vacation. Disney. That's it. Just Disney. Like, we go to a Disney resort, go to all the Disney parks.
We already did that.
I know.
I was like 8.
Yeah, but I was 8. I didn't appreciate
No,
the
I was
Disney.
8. You were not 8.
I was like 5.
My dream vacation would definitely be everywhere in Europe, because I've always just wanted to travel to Europe and I've never had the chance. So somebody please take me to Europe. But now when I look at this gingerbread man, this one looks really bald. Do you know what I mean?
What does that mean?
But look, so see how I outlined this dude in red? But then if you look at this dude, which I didn't outline, he just looks really bald.
Oh, bald.
Do you know what I mean? What's your favorite thing to do together?
When we're laughing because hashtag awkward.
Oh, so
Wait.
we just like laugh all the time because we just look at memes.
Yeah.
Something like hilarious online, and then we just won't stop laughing about it. And my favorite thing that we do together would definitely be. It looks like you're playing with poop.
That's what I was thinking.
She has like chocolate in her hands. Oh my gosh. My favorite thing to do together would definitely be film videos because it's just a really fun thing that I enjoy doing, and I also get to do it with my sister. So why not? It's just a great. All right, and the last question that I'm gonna answer is, what is it like not being in pre-IB? And I made a couple videos on it. If you want to watch them, I'll have it linked in the eye. But basically last year I did this program at my school, and it was the hardest program that my school offered, and it was called pre-IB. And basically that put me in a lot of stress, and just I didn't have time to do anything I liked, and I was just doing homework 24/7. I was losing sleep. It was just not fun. So this year I dropped out of the program and I didn't continue with IB. And honestly, school has been going so great. I am getting good marks and I'm proud of myself. I'm working hard and I'm not up like as late as I was last year. It was like 2 a.m. on the daily last year.
Oh,
Now
right.
it's like
Now it's like
midnight.
1 a.m.
No, now it's like midnight. Honestly, I'm so glad that I dropped out of pre-IB. I'm not trying to say that the IB program is bad or anything, because I think it's a really great program. I just think it really depends on like how you are as a person, and only like a certain type of people can go into it, and I was just not that type. It was not the right fit for me. So school's going really well. So now we're just gonna do a montage of us decorating the remaining cookies, and we'll see you guys at the end of the video. Cookies, not gonna lie. Some of mine look pretty good, such as this.
Oh, you want to see the
this.
one that looks sim?
But some of them look really, really derpy. Like this one, like the white outline was not smart. That's just
I want to see derpy. So we're gonna eat our least favorite ones. I don't really like gingerbread, so I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, especially where it's like store-bought. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. It tastes very fake, but it's good.
So anyway, we finished this challenge. They were like, okay, I guess. They weren't my favorite, but like...
Not the best gingerbread, but it was fun making them. That's going to be the end of our video for today, and the next video that you guys will see from us is probably going to be the video going up on Christmas or our Christmas Eve vlog. I don't know which one will go up first. But we have 2 more Christmas videos plus what we got for Christmas coming, so get excited for that. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button. We really appreciate the support.
Give this video a thumbs up too.
And if you want to see more behind the scenes of our life, you can follow us on Instagram at Megan + Madi. It will be linked down below as well.
And yeah, I think that's all we have for today, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Or whenever the next video goes up.
Peace. Go. Hey sisters, it's Maddie. Oh no.